Okay, good evening. Welcome to
Math number 1068.
FamilyMath1068. So today, where's the original problem? We're looking at a puzzle that Catriona Shearer mentioned in a Twitter thread I saw. It might have been over the weekend. But this is a puzzle actually from 2018. And she said this is one of her favorite ones ever.
Okay.
And you did some really great work on this one. And instead of trying to explain it on the paper, we're gonna you drew it out on the whiteboard to talk about it on the whiteboard. Okay, so why don't you talk about what you did?
Alright, so first things that we can tell, we're only given that these are all squares and the area, this square is 5. So from that we can say that this is root 5, this is root 5, and then that this here is also root 5. That means that this is 2 root 5. And since there's no real way to figure out what this square is here, I called that x.
Alright.
And then what I wanted to try and do is find this length right here. And that way you can break it up into 2 triangles. This triangle and this triangle.
Alright, so this length here is what you're trying to find.
Yep.
Okay, great.
And then that's because when you draw in this here, you can easily find the height of this triangle, which is x plus 2 root 5.
Alright, I'm just going to zoom out just a smidge. Okay, excellent. So this triangle that has this as its base, this little length as its base, has height x plus 2 root 5. Okay, great. I like that. And
this small triangle, which also has this length as its base, has height square root of 5 because of the square.
Okay, excellent.
So then, let's see what I did. Was I continued this here. To form this triangle that goes from here over to here and back up.
Alright.
And let's see, it might actually have been all the way down. Let's see. Been down here.
Okay, that's fine. That's alright.
So this length was x minus square root of 5.
Alright, and which, just to be clear, just draw that length in on the edge here. Which length is x minus 2 root 5?
Root 5.
Minus root 5, okay. Great.
And then this whole length here is x plus 3 root 5.
Alright.
And from that, what we can do is find, we now know the slope of this triangle. Then from that, we can look at this triangle here, small one, which is similar, has a side of square root of 5, and then this side here. And then if we subtract that from root 5, we'll get our side that we want.
Okay, great. So I'm going to have you do that calculation, and we'll just break this into 2 videos.
Okay.
So now we know what you're going to do. Next up is the calculation.